Let us create the another fruit. Simply you have to draw the circle, then press the Ctrl Q from the keyboard to convert shape to curve. After that, here use the shape tool. We don't want these 2 points, then let us remove it with the help of double click. Okay, now here we want 2 more points. The same process, double click over the line, then here 2 points are created. Okay, and here click on this node and go to the cups node. Cups node is appear on the property bar. Click on the cups node and then you can simply adjust this shape. Let us select with the help of shape tool all this node and just drag it. With the help of handler, you can create a apple like shape. Just zoom it, create the proper shape as you like. Here also you can use cups node, because what happens whenever we adjust the handler, both sides get edited. To avoid this, click on the cups node. Now only one side get edited. Okay, don't make it proper, just make it simple. Now let us fill this apple with red color. We want some big apple. Click on red color. Okay, after that remove the outline, or you can also right click on the same color. Now go to the bottom of the toolbox, click on interactive fill tool. Below that there is mesh tool. Click on mesh tool, and here only 2 rows and 2 columns are available. We have to increase the rows as well as column. You can increase it, rows as well as columns. Now you have to, with the help of this tool, you have to select these 4 nodes and just click on a white color. After that, click this node, click on the red color. Again click this node, click on the red color, like this. Okay, or if you want a only small one, then again click on the red color. With the help of shape tool, you can also edit the shape, because yes, something is different. Okay, again click on the shape tool to perfectly arrange the shape. Undo if there is something wrong. With the help of these nodes, you can arrange the shape. Click on the pick tool. Now here, with the help of freehand, go to the freehand. Just here create one line like a smiley. Okay, let us adjust it, properly adjust it. Okay, now again create one more line like this. Okay, again adjust it properly. slightly move it over here. It is, and if we want to change the width of this line, then go to the outline width and you can increase the width of this line. Okay, here node is created. You can also double click it. Here let us use the handler to adjust this line. Okay, but here some gap is there. If you want to remove that gap, then go to the arrange and click on convert outline to object. Now you can remove this gap, simply adjust the outline. You can also again want to attach this shape to this line, therefore click on convert to curve and then simply adjust this. This width is I think too high. Let us now you can create this with the, because it is now object, then with the help of shift button you can decrease the width. We use shift button because we want to decrease it from both sides. Now again click on the shape tool. Let us adjust this. Here, take care here don't appear any gap. Like this you can create apple. You can also apply your own ideas.